In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Outlook contacts. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you can save all of your contacts, or just the specific ones you want, directly from Outlook. Exporting contacts can be useful if you want to create a backup, move your contacts to another email platform, or simply keep a copy saved on your computer for safekeeping. To get started, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your contacts are stored. Once Outlook is open, look for the People section and click on it. This is the area where Outlook keeps your contact list, and it's where you'll be able to view and manage the people you've saved. After you open People, you'll see all of your contacts displayed in one place. Take a moment here to review the list. If you want to export everything, you can select all of your contacts. If you only need certain contacts, you can choose just the specific ones you want instead. This gives you flexibility, depending on whether you need a full backup or only a smaller list. To make your selection, simply click on the contacts you want to export so they become highlighted. If you're exporting multiple contacts, make sure each one you want is selected before moving on. Highlighting the right contacts is important because Outlook will export exactly what you choose. Once your contacts are selected, go to the Manage option. Click Manage, and then choose Export Contacts. This tells Outlook that you want to create an export file using the contacts you selected. At this point, Outlook may ask you to confirm the export. If it does, go ahead and confirm it so the process can continue. After that, save the exported file to your preferred location on your computer. It's a good idea to choose a folder that's easy to find later, such as your documents or desktop, especially if you plan to import the contacts somewhere else soon. You may also want to rename the file so it's clear what it contains, such as an Outlook Contacts Backup. And that's it. Once the file is saved, your Outlook contacts have been successfully exported. Keeping a backup like this can save time and help prevent data loss later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.